Start in a deep lunge, front knee bend, back leg back, send the hips down and forward. And next inhale, bring your hands to your lap. Exhale, and inhale, bring your arms up. Breathe here, squeeze the left glute. Inhale, and as you exhale, hands to the mat. Bend the back knee, your toes point to the sky. Option to bring your hands to your lap. Option to twist to the left and grab your foot. When you grab your foot, see you can bring that foot to your glutes to straight you to the quads. Option to grab the foot with both hands. Breathe here, inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. And then bring your hands to the mat. Half split, send the hips back to align with the back knee. Extend the front leg. Inhale. Exhale with the long spine, fold forward. Relax there and breathe. The next inhale, up into your hands, and we exchange. This time you send the left foot forward to a deep lunge. Bring your hands to your lap. Inhale. Exhale. And then the next inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Squeeze the right glute, your hips are down and forward. Breathe here. The next inhale, up, up, up. Exhale, hands to the mat. Bend the back knee, your toes point up, and you twist to the right. Option to grab your foot and bring your foot to your glutes. This is to straighten your quads. Option to grab your foot with both hands. Chest is up, breathe here, inhale. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, release your hands into the mat. Half split, send the hips back to align with the back knee. Extend the front leg, inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Try to keep the spine long and just breathe here. And then the next inhale, up into your hands. And let's find a way to lay down into your back. Keep the left leg long into the mat, right leg long. Grab the back of your legs. Just bring your foot to you. Breathe here. Inhale, and as you exhale, we exchange. Right leg into the mat, the other leg to the sky. Inhale, and as you exhale, both knees into your chest, open your knees, find your happy baby, and breathe here. Let's start to meditate. Find a nice, comfortable seated pose, and close your eyes. Your spine is long, the crown of your head to the sky. And now that you are here with yourself, with your eyes closed, just check how your body is telling you. You don't need to change anything, just being aware of it. Check your breathing, how you are breathing. You inhale, exhale. Again, inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. And remember, it is your path and only yours. Others can walk with you, but no one can walk for you. It is time to come back. Inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to your